Oh, that baby's upset. This is Tiltonhaus German Shepherds. These are Annie and Bomis puppies. These are my youngest granddaughters. They're twins, if you couldn't tell. Anyway, they're, so these puppies will be around babies and children of all ages. You got a puppy there? You have a puppy? And Annie is fine with all this attention. And as you can see, my house is full of family. Here is Lady's puppy. She's 3 weeks and 2 days old. It's my youngest son, Tanner, holding her. And over here we have more of Lady's puppies. They're 3 weeks and 2 days now. There is one of my grandchildren. And another one. Helping Grandma socialize these puppies. Thank you guys for helping Grandma. Lockie, thank you. Abby, thank you. Oops, and we have a favorite over there. This is a lady puppy. What is it? What is it, Nisha? What color? Who? Green collar is my oldest daughter's favorite.
Wait, are you recording?
So we have lots of other puppies. We have ladies and Bomis puppies in here too, being passed around. If children are holding the puppies, then we make them sit on the floor. This is part of my family. I have a very, very large family, so it's very easy for these puppies to all be socialized. And see just how calm Annie is with all these people. Newborn puppies, that's not always the case when new moms have their puppies, but Annie, she feels safe with everybody here. She knows them all.